everything here is about the story of clothing sorter. She was sorting the clothes next to the crematoria, and this is a prisoner's ID. 5874 is the number one that was on her forearm, the tattoo. She was working in Pavilion 8 in Birkenau. And these are the 6 family members that didn't survive. Her parents, 2 brothers and 2 sisters. This is my mother's mother with the 2 younger sisters. She was my mother's mother was in her 40, but she didn't want to leave her babies by themselves, so she went with them. And in my imagination, my mother wanted to be small again. She wanted to be small, so maybe if she was smaller, her mother will take her too. But she was on the other side, the side of life. And I tear wire mesh in many works, and the tearing is the symbol of Kriya. It also looks like open wound. And many families that were torn apart. Everything is a symbol, a lot of symbols around. One of the men from her town found an envelope in one of the pockets of the garment, maybe of her father, 8 family photograph. So he gave it to the delivery men. They were delivery men that came to the women to take the boxes. He gave her the family photograph, and they were forbidden to hold the photograph or anything, any belonging beside food. So she put it inside the bread, and she kept it inside the bread for more than a year. Every day, she wrapped it with a paper and put margarine on it, and every day she was taking it from the old bread and put it inside the new bread. And she gave it, at the end, she gave it to Yad Vashem in Israel. There was a man that he likes my mother, but he couldn't talk to her. So there were stories of love inside the camp. And he threw from the other side of the fence, he threw her an apple to show her his feelings. So to throw an apple in a place that you're always starving and you don't have enough food, to throw it to someone else, it was a big gesture. So he threw her apple. And my mother threw apples to her twin cousins. And I told the story to some of you, that the German caught my mother. She had twin cousins in Mengele, in the experiment. And the German caught them, and they gave them punishment to stand all night on their knees. It was rainy night. It was next to the electric fence. 2 young women, and they said to each other, "We are so stupid. We can finish our suffering in just touching the fence, and that's it." But they didn't want. They wanted to believe in better life. They had hope that one day it will be better.